Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video we are going to discuss about the two-bed apartment. Here in this video we are going to discuss about the floor plan of apartment. Here in this video we will discuss the circulation, the material, the furniture layout, the entry. So here we can enter to apartment. Here is the entry from upward stair. So if we enter here, here is a living room. Here is sofa for sitting purpose. This is the dining table next to the kitchen. So here is kitchen, which is directly accessible to a living room. Here is a dining table. So from here we can enter to a bath. Here is a tub, bathing tub with vanity. Here is a closet from this bedroom, and we can enter to closet from this bedroom. So here is another bedroom. Here is another closet for this bedroom. And from here we can enter to a balcony. Here is a sitting space for a balcony. If we see the dimension of this plan, so here is 3.93 meter, here is 2.12 meter, 0.99 meter, 2.93 meter, 2.90 meter, 2.91 meter, 2.73 meter, 0.89 meter, 2.31 meter, 5.3 meter, 4.65 meter. So if we see 3D of this apartment, here is a very interesting 3D. From here we can enter to apartment. Here is a stair. Here we can enter to a living room with the dining table. So from here we can enter to a kitchen. Here is bath, proper bath. Here is a bedroom with directly if we from bedroom to a cupboards. From this bedroom we can enter to this. So from here we can enter to a terrace. Here is terrace with sitting spaces. Here is a whole 3D, very interesting 3D. A very interesting 3D. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video with a new episode with a new design. Have a good day, dear. Thank you for watching.